What's up, everybody? Just want to do a quick video just kind of talking about the relevance of the KTM RFS motor as of today, at least in 2020. These motors have a cult following for sure. They're known to be pretty bulletproof. This is an 07 450 EXC that's never had any maintenance done to it besides valve adjustments. Up until the point it came into our shop. It had 9,000 miles on it, I believe, which I think we think it was around 300 or 400 hours. And it came in because it had just started smoking a little bit, getting a little harder to start. So we figured rings for sure. Took this thing apart, and yeah, all four valves were sucked up into the head. Seats just shot. Now, the only issues we ran into when we were rebuilding it, it's either the head or the cylinder. I think it was the head that is discontinued from KTM or unavailable right now or something. So we ended up sending this one to Fast Heads, and which is just as good, if not, probably even better than new. So yeah, pretty quick turnaround there. We got the head back. It looks great. It works great. We had the cylinder redone at Power Seal USA instead of ordering a new one, which makes it even better than new as well. So Fast Head's head, Power Seal redid the cylinder. We put a piston and rings in it, and we just kind of, we put new clutches in it, and we just kind of inspected some stuff. We did all the little stuff around the head. We did a timing chain tensioner. We replaced the gear on the bottom, replaced both guides, all the gears, or all the bearings and seals on the camshaft and water pump area. We redid all that, and it fires right up, works great. The sad part about it is, customer, by the time he factors in all of this, getting the head redone, getting the cylinder redone, all the parts and stuff, and labor is probably going to be somewhere around $3,000. And I don't know, to me that was kind of a shame, because for that kind of price you could pick up for $4,000 or $5,000 you could pick up a 17, 18 model KTM, which is maybe not any more bulletproof than this motor, but worlds better performance-wise, and way easier to work on. And the rest of the bike is worlds better. But the customer insisted on fixing this, so we did. And it is an 07, so it had some other stuff wrong with it. Need a master cylinder rebuild, just a bunch of little stuff. Needed brake pads, chain and sprockets. But anyway, what I'm getting at is, the RFS motor is great. It's bulletproof, it's reliable. But if you do run into some kind of issue, just be aware that these heads, I believe it's the head, is discontinued or unavailable with no ETA. So, if you've got a bike and it's only got a couple issues, a couple small issues, yeah, fix it, ride it. But if you are scooping up one of these as a project, or you've got something that's missing half the engine, just be aware that you may not be able to get some of that stuff, and there may be even more stuff that you won't be able to get soon. So just something to take into account. Even though this is an 07, this motor was designed in 98, 99, something like that. So very cool bike, very cool motor, but maybe just getting to the end of its lifespan as your everyday daily driver trail motorcycle. I don't know, that's just my 2 cents on it. Love to hear what some of you guys think. I'm sure I'll have some die-hard RFS people that say they want to keep this thing living forever, and that's great. It's whatever you're into. But from a monetary standpoint, it may not make sense, depending on how much work your bike needs, or or what you're missing. So yeah, thanks for watching. My opinions on the RFS as of October of 2020, straight from my KTM workshop. Thanks so much, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.